Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabilo YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to block visual disturbances on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, yung you'll have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And settings, okay, go to apps and notification. And apps and notifications, okay, scroll down and you can see the advanced. Okay, tap the advanced. Okay, in advanced, okay, you can see the do not disturb preferences. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, here in do not disturb preferences, you can see the block visual disturbances, and the block visual disturbances is off. And okay guys, to block visual disturbances on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone, you'll have to do is switch on the block visual disturbances. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the block visual disturbances. And okay guys, here and block visual disturbances, okay, you can see the two option here. Okay, the block when screen is on and the block when screen is off. And okay guys, on the right side you can see the switch button of these two. And okay guys, to turn on, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this block when screen is on and turn on the block when screen is off. And okay guys, if this turn on the switch button and block when screen is on, prevent notification silence by do not disturb from flicking or popping on screen. And the block when screen is off, prevent notification silent by do not disturb from turning on the screen or pulsing the notification light. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully blocked visual disturbances on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.